Alright, fantastic. Let's talk about goal setting in Google Analytics. First, let's talk about what a goal is. We're looking at NatashaLinton.com, and Natasha is a personal trainer in the New York City area. And so she set up a promotion for one-on-one training where I can train and a friend can train, and we only have to pay for one person. So that's her goal. Her goal is to see how many people actually get to this promotional page in her site. Now, to get to that particular page, there's some clicking or navigation that has to occur. So from her home page, the user would need to click on one-on-one training and then click on Learn More under the nutritional planning. With a quick click. And then they need to click on the promo panel up here at the top left hand corner. And here we are at our promo page. This page is the goal. The name of this page is bringafriendpromo.html. So what Tasha wants to do is track this goal. How many people are actually seeing this page who start off at the front of her website? So let's go over and look at Google Analytics and try and understand how we're going to set this up. Now, I'm already at the Google Analytics homepage. I'm going to click Access Analytics. Here's Natasha's site as a part of my analytics account here. Now, you'll notice that Google Analytics will allow you to actually manage or administer multiple sites. Here's Tasha's. We're going to go down to the bottom right hand corner and click Edit for Natasha Linton. This is going to bring me into her account. And here we have conversions, goals, and funnel. One of the things you'll notice is that the Google Analytics package provides 4 free goals out of the box, so to speak. Now, what I've done is I've set up a promo down here in G4 called One-on-One Promo, and it's set to on. But I've gone ahead and set this up just to save time in our video. I'm going to click on Edit, which will bring us into the goal setting admin window, so to speak. Here we have the active goal. That just means I can turn it on and off. I want Google to track this, or I don't want Google to track this. Match type. Here's where I'm telling it how to match the goal page. Exact match means that the URL has to match the URL that I put in this particular field exactly. Now, you notice that this is relative. It does not include the HTTP and NatashaLinton.com portion. What I have done is put in the / subdirectory one-on-one bringafriendpromo.html. Now, your other choices are head match and regular expression match. We're going to stick with exact match. Head match is going to match some header value. Regular expression match is going to utilize a regular expression to match some page within your site. If you want to learn a little more about that, drop me a note or comment at the blog and I'll get back with you. We can name the goal. This is arbitrary. This is something you can choose. Case sensitivity, if for some reason you may have pages with similar names and you're using case sensitivity as a way to kind of separate those, you can look at that here. And then we have goal value. A goal value is important because certain goals may have more value to you as a website owner than others. For example, here we're using the promo page, or the page that just simply says, hey, here's the promo. Well, on that same page, you'll notice there was also a form. Well, that form's going to have a thank you page, so I may set up another goal attached to or tracking the thank you page on that form. Well, obviously somebody who sends in their information and says, hey, yeah, I want to do this, has a greater value than someone who just simply looks at the promo or the landing page for the promo. So this is where I would go in and put the value for those goals. You'll notice it's in a decimal format, so you can match those up to your particular dollar value. So, for example, if someone views the promo page, I don't make any money, but if they actually go in and they sign up for the promotion and I bring back a profit of $25, I could put in $25 here, or put in 25.00, understanding that that was the value for that particular goal. Below we have our funnel. Remember that we navigated from the beginning of the website or the home page of the website all the way through to the one-on-one section through nutritional planning down to our promo page, bring a friend promo.html. So this is where we'll set this up. Step 1, which is index.html, one-on-one index.html, which is the one-on-one subsection landing page, and then we have the nutrition landing page. You can give these names, and so by naming these you can look at these, and rather than trying to weed through or look at the URLs, you'll know exactly what pages you're talking about. I can also determine that certain steps are required. If the funnel is important and going through the funnel has to be in a certain way, I can set these steps up as being required. Now you'll notice that I don't have to worry about putting in the one-on-one promo or goal page. That's automatically copied from the top. Now be sure to make sure that you set the goal as being on so that it will actually start to record. And then you'll click Save Changes. And now your goal will be active and Google Analytics will begin to record. So what we're going to do is click on Analytics Settings. And I'm going to go back to my Analytics home page and click on View Report for my Natasha Linton account. Over here, over to the left hand side under our mention, there's a Goals section. I'm going to click on Goals. And you'll notice that I have my conversions goal for one-on-one promo. So if I click on this particular link, I can get information pertaining to how often this goal or how many users were converted as related to this particular goal. Now one thing I do want to look at here are a couple of things. We've got total conversions, our conversion rate, which is very important. How many people are converting as compared to how many people are actually visiting the home page. This is where you'll want to establish a sort of baseline. What percentage seems to be good, or what's a norm? How often do I convert people? And as you move forward with other promotions, you can kind of get a feel for, hey, this promotion's working pretty well, or this promotion seems to be performing below average. We also have an abandonment rate. How often do people abandon your funnel before they actually reach the goal page? This is also very important, and this also relates back to multivariate testing. In our particular situation, we've got 4 different pages that are part of our funnel. If users are abandoning or not making it to the goal page, we need to ask ourselves why. Let's look at funnel visualization. Now this is a part of the sub-menu for goals. And so I'm going to switch so our view is of the goal for one-on-one promo. Again, here's our graph. We've just set this up so there's not any information. But if we look at our funnel visualization, here we have the names of our pages that we put in when we set up our funnel. And what we're looking at is a list of 2 numbers for each page or each step in the funnel. The one number on the left with the green arrow is indicating how many users came to this page and actually moved forward to the next step in the funnel. The red arrow and that number corresponds to the number of people who got to this particular step in the funnel and didn't move forward in this particular funnel. Does not mean that they left the website. It just simply means that they didn't continue on in this particular funnel moving towards our goal. So here we have each step. Again, this is very important. If your abandonment rate is very high, this is where you want to come to look at, well, where are people abandoning the funnel at? By knowing which step in the funnel they're abandoning, now you can go back and determine what is it about that page that's stopping people from moving forward. You can begin to utilize things like multivariate testing to find out which pages work better to move people to the next step. So I hope this has cleared some of what we talked about in the posted blog about setting up goals and setting up the analytics. If you have questions, feel free to drop me a comment in the post. I'll get back to you. And you can always reach me at wbradley@nsyndx.net. That's WBRADLEY at NSYNDX.net, and I'll answer any questions you have. Thanks and have a great day.